Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बबूज लाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड इजियर। आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं नेस्ले की बहुत सारी चॉकलेट्स, लेकिन एक एक करके। दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ माय Nestle chocolate review. If you want to look at more, please look at the end videos, links to the videos at the end of this video, and you'll find yourself there. So today I have 3 chocolates with me. This is Nestle Coffee Crisp. I don't like the sound of this one, but I'm still gonna try it. This is Nestle Big Turk, and this is the Nestle Yucky. So I'm gonna try with the one which I'm not having a good feeling about. This one, nice and light. And on the picture, there's this porous thing of caramel. I don't really like that burnt caramel flavor. So this is a nice solid brick coffee crisp. You also get this in small sachets. So it isn't that bad. It's just like wafer chocolate. It looked like those porous chocolates. I don't like that. This isn't bad at all. Nice, crispy, light, not too sweet, and it says it's a good snack. Really, 260 calories per snack, it's put it again. So I like this one. The cocoa flavor is very nice in it. Next, moving on to Big Turk. It's a Turkish delight. So if you've heard of Turkish delights, they're nice and chewy, sugar coated, and like the small boxes stuffed with a lot of nuts. I wonder what this is like. This looks like this. Maybe I can see inside. It's a jelly-like substance. It tastes like strawberry jelly, and the texture is exactly like a Turkish delight. Now I know why it's called Big Turk. If you've never had a Turkish delight before, it basically sticks to your teeth and it's extremely sweet. This reminds you of that, and that's why it's called Big Turk. Very good fusion idea. And the last one on my list for today is the Nestle Yucky. I can't predict what this is. Oh, it is like a regular dairy milk. You compare it to Cadbury. It's absolutely that. Nice, chunky, light. It's less sweeter than a Cadbury dairy milk. The texture is the same. So where all 3 of them are good, this is when I'm in a really chocolatey mood, the Yucky. And if I'm in a snacky mood, I'll probably go with the coffee crisp. Do let me know in the video which one is your favorite, and if there's anything else you'd like me to try, do let me know. Until next time, this is your Tech Guru signing off.